guys, Shasha here today. So I will be teaching you guys how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition for free using Google, and you have to type app type. There we go. Then after that you just press on the first one. You're going to search application, type Minecraft, and you're going to press it button, and just wait, and there it is. This one. And then you're going to press the install button, and okay, and it's download. Now then oh snap. Okay, so then you're going to press here the app type, blah 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 blah. There's some numbers. Then it will pop up this. And do not press cancel, just press next and install. Done. Then after it has finished installing, okay, gonna go here. Here's the app type, the app. Then this is what it looks like. So then it will show you this pop up. Do you wish to install Minecraft Pocket Edition? Just okay. It is by my cousin, my older cousin, and follow to my another just her name is gamer girls. I don't know how to spell that, but just follow her. She's on YouTube too. Okay, so then it will pop up like this again, but at the left hand top corner there will be a Minecraft Pocket Edition app picture. Okay, so just gonna press install. So long. Hold on, let me just skip. Okay, so we have a bit of a problem. It seems that my storage space is full, so I think I'm gonna uninstall some games. Okay, hold on. Let me just. Okay, so we're done here. Oh my gosh, there it is, Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oops. And ta-da! So, by the way, guys, I have Musically. Please follow me. My name is Shasha Fox Lols 2, not 1, 2. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.